What's up, blooms? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these twist out results on stretched hair. So I'm getting ready to take down my hair, but before I do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. I didn't get to record me installing the twist, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, I may redo it again. But I just wanted to show what the twists were looking like and also talk about the product that I use. This is a DIY Ayurvedic hair butter that I came up with. The video on this hair butter will be up after this one, but I just wanted to show y'all what my hair is looking like with the butter and also how the twist turned out. My hair is currently stretched. I use a blow dryer to do the tension method. I have a couple of videos on my channel showing you how I do that. I will leave that in the cards for y'all to check out. But now I'm going to take down these twists and show you my results using my Ayurvedic hair butter. Unraveled the twist and my hair feels so soft. This butter, I'm really looking forward to using it more often because the way my hair feels right now, it feels really soft. So now I'm going to unravel my hair a little bit more, and when I come back, I'll show you guys how it looks. right, y'all, so this is how my twist out is looking like after unraveling and fluffing a little bit. I went in with my pick just to lift my roots some, just to get more volume, but I'm really liking how this is looking. My hair feels really soft and fluffy and bouncy, and I really love how big and voluminous it looks right now. It's still not as defined as I would like because I separated my hair, but I do like the little bit of waves that it has going on. Put in the comments what you guys think of this twist out on blow dried hair using my hair butter. Like I said earlier, the video on this hair butter will be out soon, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.